In this video, I'll show you how to make an email signature in Outlook. An email signature is the text that appears at the bottom of your messages, and it usually includes your name, job title, company, phone number, website, or anything else you want people to see automatically. Microsoft says, Outlook lets you create signatures in New Outlook, Classic Outlook, Outlook on the web, Outlook.com, and Outlook for Mac, although the menu path is a little different in each version. If you're using New Outlook on Windows, open Outlook and click the Settings icon. Then go to Accounts and choose Signatures. If you have more than one email account in Outlook, select the account you want to use. After that, click Add Signature, give it a name, and type your signature in the editor box. Microsoft says you can format the text, then choose whether that signature should be added automatically to new messages and to replies or forwards. When you're done, click Save. If you're using Classic Outlook for Windows, open a new email first. On the Message tab, click Signature, then choose Signatures. Pick the email account you want, click New, type a name for the signature, and then enter your signature in the Edit Signature box. Microsoft says you can format the text there and save it. And Outlook also lets you choose a default signature for new messages and another one for replies and forwards if you want. If you use Outlook on the web or Outlook.com, click Settings, then go to Mail and choose Compose and Reply. In the signature box, type your signature and format it the way you want. Microsoft says you can then choose whether to automatically include it on new messages, replies, and forwards. And after that, you just click Save. If you're on Outlook for Mac, open the Outlook menu, go to Settings, and choose Signatures under Email. From there, you can rename the default signature or create a new one, then type your signature in the editor. Microsoft also says you can set a default signature for each mail account separately, which is useful if you use different accounts for work and personal email. A good signature usually stays simple and professional. Most people include their full name, position, company name, contact number, and maybe a website or social profile. You can also add formatting, links, and in some versions, even images or logos, but it's usually best to keep it clean so it looks good on both desktop and mobile devices. Microsoft's Outlook signature guides confirm that formatting options are available in the signature editor across these versions, so the basic process is easy. Open Outlook settings or the signature menu, create a new signature, type your details, choose whether it should appear automatically, and save it. That's how to make an email signature in Outlook. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.